Hey y'all, it's me, Amber from Amber Teaches, and I want to clear something up real quick. Repellents versus insecticides. They're not the same thing, but people mix them up all the time. Let's start with repellents. Repellents don't kill bugs, they just make you or your space unattractive to them. One of the most popular repellents is DEET. DEET is a strong chemical that confuses mosquitoes. They can't smell you properly, so they move on. You spray DEET on your skin or your clothes. It's great for outdoor activities, but remember, it doesn't kill the bugs, so you might still get bitten. There are also natural repellents like citronella, lemongrass, and lemon eucalyptus oil, but they usually wear off faster than DEET. Now let's talk about insecticides. These are made to kill insects, not just annoy them. One strong example is permethrin. It's a synthetic version of something that's found in chrysanthemums. You spray it on your boots, clothes, tents, or gear, not your skin. And then when ticks or mosquitoes come into contact with it, they die. Permethrin is great for gardeners, hikers, or anyone that's in tick country. Another insecticide you should know about is BT, Bacillus thuringiensis. BT is actually a natural soil bacteria and it targets different pests depending on the strain. BTI fights mosquitoes and fungus gnats, while BTK kills caterpillars like tomato hornworms and cabbage loopers. And it's safe for pollinators, pets, and people. So here's the takeaway. Repellents equals keeps the bugs away. Insecticide equals kills bugs. Repellents protect you. Insecticides protect your garden or your gear. Sometimes you'll use both, like DEET on your skin and permethrin on your boots, or BT in your soil, but know what you're using and make sure you use it safely. And keep your garden and your body bug free with the use of these tools. If this helped you out in any way, please tap like, subscribe for more straight to the point garden tips and deep dives about the facts. I'll holler at you guys later. Bye.